Hey everyone, welcome back to 𝐋𝐈𝐊𝐄. My name is Jack, and today we're going to tackle a very common challenge, that being finding time for fitness in such a busy schedule. It can be hard to find the time in a fast-paced life, right? However, I'm going to show you how we can both get it done in this video. So let's dive in. First and foremost, it is absolutely crucial that you prioritize your health, because when you do, you're going to find the motivation is already there, even on your most busy days, to get that workout done, to eat that meal. Have the desire to be better. Plan your workouts, whether you use a fitness app, some pen, some paper, a whiteboard like I am, maybe you join the Jack's 30-day program, whatever it may be, make it tangible, because it comes non-negotiable. Scheduling. Ticking that box is so satisfying. Do it. HIIT workouts. They're perfect for busy schedules. They're quick, they're aggressive, they're effective, and in particular mine, you won't need any gear to use, so check out this little workout. Utilize micro workouts. They're your secret weapon. You're waiting for a kettle to boil. How many press-ups can you get done until it's done? How many squats can you do? How long can you hold a squat? Star jumps. Whatever it may be, utilize them.
Eating right is as crucial as exercising, and meal prepping can be an absolute time saver. Get yourself some lunch boxes, pick a day that you can cook a batch and prep it. It saves time. Just cook like you're cooking for 4 people, 2 people, whatever you can do, container it.
Be mindful about your eating. It doesn't take a science to figure out that if it's grown in a tree or pulled from the ground, it's going to be far better for you. And it's just as accessible and cheap. If it's given to you in plastic packaging, and you've got this, take the organic route. Set yourself a realistic goals. It's key. Something tangible and something that you can reach in the near future. You can use this little acronym if you like. It's called the SMART criteria. That is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's bound to keep you on track. Hydration. It's the easiest thing that you can do to make yourself feel better. It's good for your skin, it's good for your energy, it's good for your eyes, it's good for everything. There's never been a bad story from some clean drinking water. And I get that some of you may think, man, it's a bit bland. Well, why don't you add a bit of mint to it? Some lemon, a lime, some ginger. Boil it, whatever it is. Just make sure that you're getting at least 2 litres a day. Sleep. It's absolutely essential for a fit and healthy lifestyle. This little dude here nails it every day. We often have alarms for the morning, but how often do we hear about having an alarm for the evening? You could set yourself an alarm an hour before your bedtime. Along with that, maybe you could leave some water on your bedside, turn your phone off. You could get some toothpaste on your toothbrush. Just start the routine an hour before, 2 hours before. Whatever suits you, I suggest getting a bedtime alarm. My last tip is consistency and adaptability. Stay consistent to your routine. Don't stay consistent to mine, your neighbours, your best mates. Unfortunately, there isn't any cookie cutter routine that'll work for Dexter my cat, Bill the guinea pig, myself, and your neighbour Debbie. It just doesn't work like that. But once you have found something that molds perfectly to your lifestyle, be consistent with it. And who knows, things may change in a week or so, or maybe another 4 weeks, whatever it is. Adapt again. Keep adapting, but keep consistent. In conclusion then, staying fit with a busy schedule is definitely challenging, but it's absolutely doable. Remember to prioritize your health, plan your workouts, set tangible goals, and stay consistent and be adaptable. If you like these tips, please do give us a thumbs up to this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in hearing more fitness related content. Thank you so much for watching today's video. By the way, I have Instagram. If you like what I'm doing here, make sure to give us a follow. It's 𝐋𝐈𝐿. Until next time, stay fit, stay healthy, Take care.